With more than 1,20,000 students traveling to Australia in September 2023, India becomes the second largest source country for international student enrollments in Australia. Not only this, 38 Australian universities are included in the QS World University Ranking 24, with 9 of those included within the top 100 universities in the world. In this video, I will cover everything on education loans in Australia, from the cost of living to different types of lender, be it banks, NBFCs or international players. So stay tuned till the end to start your abroad education journey with confidence. Hi friends, I am Aman, one of the co-founding members at Gyanthan. I am back with yet another exciting video about education loans in Australia. The country provides a wide range of courses along with exciting post-study work prospect. Before exploring the various lending options available, let us first understand why a study loan for Australia is required. Friends, studying in Australia can be slightly expensive as the tuition fee and cost of living for a period of 2 to 4 years can amount to substantial sum. Therefore, obtaining an education loan is considered a wise decision. The average annual fee for an undergrad course is roughly around $35,000 to $45,000, and for a postgrad course it is around $40,000 to $70,000, which is around 20 to 40 lakh rupees in India. Apart from this, the average cost of living in Australia for international student ranges between $3,000 to $4,000, which is another 1.5 to 2 lakh rupees annually. To cater to this high cost, education loans serve as a savior, covering both the cost of studying and living cost or any other cost related to your studies. Next, education loan can be divided into two different categories. One is secured loan and other is unsecured. Secured loans are backed by collateral and unsecured loans are backed by a financial co-applicant. Now that you have been introduced to the different types of education loans, let's take a closer look at the various types of lenders providing study loans for Australia. We'll analyze the education loan from each of these types of lender step by step. Starting up with public banks managed by the government that provided up to 2 crore for studying in Australia and are mostly secured in nature, meaning they require applicant to pledge an asset such as property, fixed deposit or insurance policy. The interest rate for this kind of loan ranges from 9.25% to 11.5%. Additionally, 6-month holiday period known as the moratorium period is provided after completing studies. After the moratorium period is over, regular EMIs must be paid as scheduled. To obtain an education loan from public banks, the borrower must contribute margin money towards the loan. It is a percentage generally ranging from 0 to 15% of total loan amount depending on the bank that the borrower contribute personally to the total cost of expenses. But if you lack collateral and are looking for an unsecured loan options, then private banks can be considered. Even private banks provide both loan options. Talking about unsecured loans, private banks provide up to 40 to 50 lakhs for studying in Australia at an interest rate ranging from 10.75% to 12.5%. As discussed, unsecured loans do not require collateral, but they indeed require a financial co-applicant, someone with a decent CIBIL score and a good net monthly income of 50,000 per month at least. Not only this, co-applicant have to be someone from the applicant's family such as parents, spouse, very close relative. Please note that, like public banks, private banks also ask for a margin money. But here is the twist. Private banks can give loans to students with a strong academic profile. Now, if you are an applicant without collateral and are unable to arrange margin money, then NBFC are at your rescue. They are non-banking financial companies regulated by RBI, providing education loans similar to banks but have relaxed rules and regulations. Meaning, NBFCs do not require a strong academic background of the applicant or any sort of margin money. They offer loans up to 50 lakhs with competitive interest rate ranging between 11.75 to 13.5%. Given that these loans are unsecured, having a co-applicant is requirement, and eligible co-applicants may include parents, siblings, relatives or a spouse. It's important to note that NBFCs specifically provide education loans for Australia, but the coverage is limited to STEM courses and management courses. Now, if you are an applicant who can neither pledge a collateral nor a co-applicant and are thinking that your study abroad dream is over, then you are wrong. There are international lenders in the market providing education loans without collateral and co-applicant. But here is the catch. International lenders also provide education loans for Australia for a limited set of courses and universities. Well, we have discussed both type of loans and lenders providing loans for Australia. Now comes the big question. Which lender should you choose to make your job easy? I have listed some common scenarios where you should choose banks or NBFCs. Scenario 1. If you are an applicant who is looking for a higher loan amount and can pledge collateral, then you should go for education loans via public banks, as they provide finances of more than 1 crore and that too at a fairly low interest rate. Scenario 2. If you are a student who has a strong academic profile and is a financial co-applicant with a good monthly income of approximately 50,000 or more per month, then you should opt for private banks, as they provide unsecured loans up to 50 lakh rupees. Scenario 3. If you are a student who lacks paperwork and is unable to fulfill the bank's strict rules and regulation, then NBFCs are your way to go, as they provide finances up to 50 lakh without needing margin money. Now that I have explained to you ideal lender for each situation, the next question that pops up: which bank or lender you should choose, or are there any hidden charges levied by lenders? So many questions and so little information available online. You know what they say, don't believe everything you read online. Folks, taking an education loan is a big financial decision for regular people like you and me. So why take the risk of doing the same without an expert advice? Guess what? Gyanthan, a team of dedicated education loan experts, is here to help you. We are your go-to squad for education loans, making the whole process super easy and hassle-free. We have teamed up with the big shots like State Bank of India, Union Bank, Bank of Baroda, IDBI Bank, ICICI Bank and Axis Bank, and rocking NBFCs as Credila, Incred and international lenders like Prodigy. And yes, we do understand that higher education comes with a heavy price tag and any additional costs can feel heavy on your wallet. So to avoid any additional cost, all services at Gyanthan are totally free of cost. So you can start your education loan journey without any stress. Thinking about how to start? All you need to do is check your loan eligibility. The link is in the description. That is all for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and if you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends and family who might be interested in securing an education loan for Australia. I hope I have covered all of your queries, but if you have any questions left, feel free to hit the comment section. Thanks for tuning in.